Hi, I'm Tanya Mark, and I'm a mind, body, nutrition, and dynamic eating psychology coach. I decided to become a mind, body, nutrition, and dynamic eating psychology coach because I was working in the fitness world. And at the time when I was a fitness coach, I thought, I can help people really get in shape and get healthy, but there was something missing. And so the next progression was really the eating piece, the nutrition piece. So I did go to nutrition school. However, I thought with those two pieces that I was gonna be able to solve everybody's problems. Well, I was wrong. And super grateful that I stumbled upon a weekend workshop that Emily and Mark were doing up here in Boulder. I was in nutrition school in Denver, and I was blown away by the idea that it wasn't just about what you eat, but how you eat and when you eat and who's the person you're bringing to the table. And that made so much sense. I realized there was a missing ingredient to why I didn't feel like I was really successful in just pure fitness and nutrition. There was this huge piece that I was missing. And I could feel that in my heart, like the impact that I wanted to have just wasn't there. And once I took that weekend course, it changed me just professionally, but also very personally. It was eye-opening. My favorite part about being a coach, and I didn't really learn this until the live event, I had to think about what I really got out of it, just personally and professionally, is that I learned to be vulnerable and tell my own story, because I've been a fitness trainer. I've done pure nutrition. And those are the pieces that everybody says is gonna solve all our problems and make us all healthy. But I lived it, and I know that's not true. And so the piece that I think I got out of it most was that I can tell my own story and be really vulnerable. And that vulnerability is what draws people in, because they can relate, and they're like, oh yeah, I've tried the nutrition, and I've tried the fitness, and I feel like a failure. And I'm like, yeah, I get it. I felt like a failure because I was helping people and they weren't getting where they wanted to go. But that's because we're both missing something. We're missing this, piece of mind, body, nutrition, and dynamic eating psychology. You start to see the stories are the same no matter where people are from around the entire world. This live event brings people from everywhere, which it's just these heartwarming stories of people being human and trying to be healthy and understanding that, wow, like health is more than fitness and nutrition. So I think the live events are just unbelievably powerful. This is my third one. And it's fun to visit with the new graduates, but also just see where we've kind of evolved and grown over the past few years as coaches, and the different things we're doing, and also how our impact is shifting. Because my impact before was really seeing a lot of clients around weight. And now, to me, it's a totally different conversation 3 years later. It's about, I don't really care what you weigh. I don't care about your body shape and size, but helping people actually be okay and accept themselves and own their power right now, not if or when. So that's been a big shift for me. I think for us to be really living our full potential is that we need to be okay with who we are right now. And this training has, as I said before, has impacted how I'm moving through the world personally, but it really shifted the trajectory of my career. And it's so much more relaxing when I can just be me now. So I think that's a huge piece of this training, is that we have tapped into being vulnerable and sharing that we're all in this human experience together. And I think it's life-changing.